We are happy that the nightmare is finally over and that we can all, in particular Rachel of course, finally be allowed to go back to something resembling a normal life. Rachel can finally be allowed to grieve properly now, free of the shameful innuendo that has surrounded her as a result of the police's shocking decision to bring charges against her in the first place, instead of being allowed to grieve. And while she is happy to finally be left in peace, with her life and piece her life back together, she would like to point out that the conviction of that disgusting individual, Cretin, and her justified unanimous acquittal from the charges wrongfully brought against her, they're not a victory, but they're merely justice. Justice for herself after a 3-year waking nightmare, and finally justice for little Millie.
Yeah.
Millie, who will be missed, loved and remembered.
Okay.
Thank you all very much.
Thank you.
I see it's a brother.
I'd also like to thank the jury for seeing through what can only be described as beyond a pack of lies.
A judge and jury.
A judge and jury. And of course the legal team for ourselves, John McCrudden, Ian Turpin and Aubrey Murray from Cooper Wilkinson, who did a phenomenal job. So thanks to them, and undoubtedly delighted with the jury for seeing through a cretin and his disgusting web of lies that monster that have went for 3 years, and I've had Rachel painted as some kind of monster herself, when there was only one monster in this case, and that was him.
And that was
What's your name? Is it Martin?
Yeah.